Hi guys, welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and this is a trade that we just took in. This is a 2023 Yamaha 275 SDX jet boat. This boat is loaded with options, tons of seating. Great option for someone that wants to get out with some family, do some towing, some water sports, just have a good time, an enjoyable time out there on the water. Back here, starting on the transom, you see I got sea deck throughout. Nice option of this, you got twin loungers here, and these seats also can convertible the other way to give you a little bit of more space laying back. Nice L-shaped seat up in here. Again, remember, tons of seating options for anyone. It's amazing, the layout of this boat. Speakers everywhere. You've got a huge hard top up top, which is another upgrade. This actually can come with a canvas top as well. Nice skylight up there. Got a freshwater sink over to your right with some storage. Head over on the left-hand side here on the port side. You got some stuff down in there with the seats and the canvas and everything. This boat was lift kept. It only has 25 hours on it. Boat's super fast. A lot of fun to drive. Great for, again, families that want to do some water sports or just kind of cruise around in the bays. Just a great option. Up here again, you got kind of a twin lounge setup. Very comfortable seating. Pan back around for you. Nice open layout. Great helm seat option. Same as the co-captain chair over on the other side. Up here at the helm too, you do have, this as the X-Drive, I believe they call it on the Yamahas, where you can, for docking, you can push the boat sideways. You've got throttles on the back, so you got forward and reverse to help you maneuver with the jet boat, which is awesome. And then you also have some different cruising modes and everything if you're going to be doing skiing or wakeboarding or anything like that. If you have any questions, additional questions, or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough or showing, again, we have this boat here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. You can give us a call at 609-926-0600. Again, 609-926-0600. Thank you for doing this walkthrough, and we look forward to seeing you out on the water.